Is my voice audible? Yeah. So I hope yesterday you are having a great session and good practice also. Let's today discuss some more problems which were given in the Accenture Coding Challenge. So this will be the first problem. So this is the first problem, which is to count maximum frequency frequency occurring time. So what the aim of this program is, we will have a string as an input format. So out of that string, we need to calculate which character is repeating for more times. See, what is the aim of this program is, we need to calculate which character is being repeated for more times. Being repeated means it should have more than one character of same kind, right? So for that, and we are having another word called case insensitive, which means nothing but like this, right? This is also equal like this, means we are treating whatever the name in uppercase, also we treat the name in the lowercase also same. Then see the input format. Input format is a string, and the constraints, length of the string must be at least 1, means we should at least give a character, right? Other than giving nothing, if we don't have any input, then there is no requirement for us to do all the operation. So output format, print the character which occurs maximum number of times in a string. So as earlier discussed, we need to print a character that is repeating for more times. And there is another condition that print 0 if multiple characters have highest frequency. Suppose, let's take my name. Okay, let's take this. Here, M is repeated for 2 times and E also 2 times, isn't it? So, in such cases, in a string, if we are having multiple characters that are repeating, then we need to print 0. We need to print 0. Okay. So let's see an example. See, here in this example, I count is 2 times and C count is also 2 times. So in general cases, we can print that the repeating characters are C and I. But whereas in this program, if you are having multiple characters that are being repeated, you should print 0. Otherwise, you can print the character. See, that was the explanation same. Okay, I hope the explanation is clear. Let's move to the coding part. Where is this? Unique maximum occurring character. Yeah, this is the program. See, for this hello input, only L is being repeated for this program. Only L is being repeated for 2 times. So we have print L. So for that, let's write program. I hope this is in Python 3. Yeah. First, what we need to take, we need to take an input, like string is equal to input of. Okay. How I am going to write this program is, I will make a dictionary. I will make a dictionary and I'll count all the character count. Okay. Like, suppose if I'm having hello as a string, I'll make this hello as h is repeated for one time and e is repeated for one time, l is repeated for two times and o is repeated for one time. Is it correct? Then I also take these values, dictionary values into a list. Okay, take dictionary values into a list and I will take out maximum value. Okay, I'm taking out the maximum value. What I will do after taking the maximum value, and I will check if the max value count is greater than 1 or not. This is nothing but what is the maximum value here? 2, right? So the count of 2 is only 1, right? Then after checking this, I will do, if the count is greater than 1, then means there are multiple characters that are being repeated. So in that cases, what we need to do, we need to print 0 as the output. Otherwise character as output. I hope the approach is very clear to everyone. You can go through these lines also. So then what I'm doing now is, I'm taking a dictionary. Then I will take a dummy list to take the values into list. Okay. First, before taking the list, uh, let's create dictionary. How we can create? For I in string. Okay. After that, we need to check if I in this dictionary, if I in dic, what we need to do, we need to increment its value. Otherwise, if there is no such element in dictionary previously, we need to create the key and value pair with count as 1. See how it is being created. HELLO. First, the I value will be H and it will check whether it is in dictionary or not. There is no H character in the dictionary previously, so it will create H1 key value pair. So it will be created like this, H and its count is 1. Then the next I value is E. It will check in the dictionary. There is no such key value pair with E. Then E is 1 count. Then it will count for L. There is no previously L. It will create value pair as L1. Again L. There is L value, L key in the dictionary. So we need to increment this one. Okay. Then how it will be created? Like this. This line will be executed. H is 1, E is 1, L is 1 plus 1, that is 2. Then we'll go with O. It will be created like this. O is for 1 time. Till now, we have created the dictionary and we have got each character count as a key value pair, right? Now, I will make a list. I will make a list L1 that is nothing but the values. I am taking out the values. Okay. So what is the method we are having in dictionary to take out the values? D dot values. So I am writing here a list comprehension. This is a list comprehension. So we'll have the list like sorry for the inconvenience. Then now I created a list with D dot values, right? Now after creating the list with dictionary values, what I have told, we need to check whether the maximum value, that is 2, is it, if its count greater than 1 or not. If it is greater than 1, simply we can print 0. Otherwise we need to find out which character is having more repeated times. Then I'll do like, if L1 dot count of max of L1 dot count of max of L1 is greater than 1, I will print 0 as output. I hope this line is clear. L1 dot, out of this list 1, we are counting how many maximum elements are there, how many times it is being repeated. Then what I have told, if this condition failed, we need to check and print which character is repeating for more times. Okay, for that I will traverse through dictionary. So here is the DIC. What is the dictionary name? Yeah, fry in DIC. If D of I equal to max of L1, I'm checking whatever the value we are getting, is it equal to this maximum or not. If we get so, what we need to print? We need to print I. We need to print I. I means the key. We are checking the value is equal to the maximum of L1. What is the maximum of L1? That is 2. We are checking each value with maximum of L1 2. First, 1 will be checked with 2, again 1, again 2. This is right. Then we are printing 1. Okay, let's run this. We are having runtime error D somewhere. Yeah, we have given wrong dictionary name, DIC. Okay, again let's check all variable names right or wrong. DIC, DIC.